Am I the only one that didn't know earthquakes could cause such widespread alerts? On August 8, 2024, a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of southwestern Japan, near Miyazaki Prefecture. The quake occurred at a depth of about 19 miles and triggered a tsunami advisory, with waves up to 1 foot high reported in some areas. Authorities have urged residents in affected regions to remain cautious, particularly regarding potential aftershocks and landslides. Fortunately, no major damage or injuries were reported, and nuclear facilities in the region were confirmed to be safe. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to follow safety guidelines if you're in an affected area. Stay safe.